Where do budgie mites come from? Budgie mites are a common infestation in pet budgies. They are small, 0.1 to 0.3 millimeters long, and oval-shaped. Budgie mites feed on the blood of birds, and this is why they are also known as blood mites. Budgie mites can be transmitted to birds from the environment, bedding, toys, and even from other birds. They prefer warm and humid environments, and this is why it is best to keep your bird's cage in a room with a comfortable temperature and relative humidity. You may notice small, soft and fluffy white dots on your bird's feathers. These are the eggs of budgie mites, and they can hatch into larvae after about 2 weeks. The signs of an infestation with budgie mites include your bird's feather pecking at its feathers, reduced appetite, lethargy, and sneezing. If you notice any of these symptoms in your bird, it is important to take action to treat the infestation. There are several ways to treat budgie mites, including using a medicated bird wash, dipping the bedding and toys in a solution of insecticide, or using a specialized bird cleaner that kills mites. You can also purchase mites from a pet store and release them into your bird's cage to help control the infestation. However, this method requires patience, as the mites need to hatch into larvae before they can be effective. Overall, budgie mites are a common infestation in pet budgies, but they can be treated successfully with the right medications and methods.